Welcome back to today's video. And in today's video, we're going to do a review of a Nerf gun.
I was opening it with my hands before. I'm just gonna... Okay. Yeah. Instructions, we don't need those. How do you open this?
Okay, stop.
Stop the video.
One eternity later.
We finally opened everything. This Nerf gun has two holders for bullets right here. So you can go and play with your friends and have two more extra bullets right here in case you ever need them. And then, how to load the bullet. You take one of these bullets and put it in this top one. And this should have a light, but you need some batteries to put in there. And unfortunately, we don't have them today, so you'll need to read that from the instructions. And how you load it is, you see this orange thing which is like sticking out. You pull it till it's stuck in place, and then you shoot. Shoots quite far. As you can see, with the vibrant colors, I was easily able to see where it landed, even if it's behind all the leaves and everything. I rate this gun, I think, a 9 out of 10. It's the first Nerf gun that me and my brother have. The other ones are X-Shot, a different company. So yeah, I love that you can hold these two bullets in case, so that you don't need to hold a lot of them in your pocket at once. That gets a little bit annoying. But what I would change is make it a little bit bigger. It feels like you're holding just a child's toy like this. But if you have something bigger, it really feels much nicer and better. And something I didn't tell you before is when you have the batteries, which you put in from here, you can press this little trigger and there's a light which beams just under where you're going to shoot. So yeah, 9 out of 10.